Hi there, again we're here with Wayne Herbert, founder of AI Assets. I just want to ask you, Wayne, this week, you've worked with councils, schools, commercial property groups. Can you share a standout success story that captures the impact of AI assets in action?
Yeah, it's an interesting one because over 30 years I've worked with some big property portfolios, iconic things like the Sydney Cricket Ground. I guess the most recent one that stands out was the Woolworths supermarket chain in Australia. So over 2,000 stores in Australia, they were using data from a work order system, IBM work order system that was 15 years old. So I needed to upgrade, they're shifting to IoT. So they want to be able to, scan to repair. So to do that, we went around and captured an asset register with over 2 million assets very efficiently. So that data is now live and in their system. So they're reaping lots of benefits. Even just their help centre where those people had to ring through repairs constantly. The help centre had 60 or 70 people manning that on the phones. Very manual process. That's now fully automated. So makes it much more efficient. They get repairs fixed up a lot quicker, which, as you can guess, in a supermarket, refrigeration cases, cool rooms, etc. When they go down, there's a lot of stock that they can lose in those scenarios. So much more proactive instead of reactive in the maintenance world, which is excellent.
That's fantastic, and great that corporates can use the system to find those efficiencies and a great ROI, I presume, on the investment that they make in both the software and the time and effort in collecting all the assets.
Yeah, the ROI on that is huge. So we've done a case study which is available if people want to see that, but it was something like 60 times ROI in the first year alone from doing that. And even on the data collection alone, it was 80% faster than traditional methods. So that really did speed things up.
Fantastic. Thanks again for your insight. I look forward to talking to you again next week.